Ketones. The common formula for ketones is RCOR. Which functional group will present in ketone? CO, C double bond O, and this functional group will present in ketone. Now we are going to see some of the common names and IUPAC name of ketones. Okay. And some examples for that ketones. IUPAC names also we are going to see now. IUPAC means what is the expansion for IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry names. Okay, common names. Generally, the ketone common names will end in ketone. For example, dimethyl ketone, diethyl ketone, acetone, like that. Definitely, the common name of the ketones will end in ketone. But the IUPAC name of the ketone will end in O, O-N-E. O-N-E will present. For aldehyde, I said the common name will end in aldehyde. Acetaldehyde, propanaldehyde. Like that, the common name of aldehyde will end in aldehyde and IUPAC name will end in AL, methanol, ethanol. Like that, it will end for aldehyde. But here, for ketone, ONE will come at the end of the IUPAC name of the ketone. Now, some of the example we are going to see. CH3CO CH3. Now count how many carbon atom is present. 1, 2 and 3. So methane, ethane, propane will come. But here the IUPAC name will end in ONE. O. Here count how many carbon atom present. 3. So methane, ethane, propane. Propane will come, but here this one will come. So propanone will come. That's all. Just like the IUPAC name of the ketone will come. The common name of this ketone is, here one methyl group is present, here another one methyl group is present. The CH3 is known as methyl group. So 2 methyl group is present. So the common name of this ketone is known as dimethyl ketone or acetone. This formula have 2 names, dimethyl ketone, because 2 methyl groups is present here. So, and this IUPAC name is known as propanone because totally 3 carbon atom is present. So this is known as propanone. Now another one example. CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. Now what is the common name for this? Common name of this ketone is what? One methyl group is present here and here one ethyl group. Ethyl group formula is what? C2H5. Here 2 carbon and 5 hydrogen is present. So we can write the C2H5 as CH2 single bond CH3 also. So one methyl group and one ethyl group is present. This is one methyl group and this is one ethyl group. So what will come? Ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. According to alphabet order, we have to write. We should not write methyl ethyl ketone. We have to write ethyl methyl ketone. Okay, what is the IUPAC name for this one? IUPAC name. Count how many carbon atom is present. 1, 2, 3, 4. Methane, ethane, propane, butane. So the IUPAC name of this ketone is known as butanone. Now another one example. CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. What is the common name? Here one methyl group is present. And here this group is known as what? This is not methyl group and this is not ethyl group. This is propyl group. How we are saying this is propyl group? Because methane, ethane, propane. 3 carbon atom is present here. So this is known as propyl group. So the common name of this ketone is known as methyl N-propyl ketone. Now count IUPAC name for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 carbon atom is present here. So pentanone. But you should not write simply pentanone. In which carbon atom the ketone group is present? In second carbon atom the ketone group is present. So that is known as pentane 2-one. Okay. Now another one example. CH3 CH2 CO CH2 CH3. Now common name here, this is one group, this is one group, this is one ethyl group C2H5. See, C2H5 group is present here. Here also C2H5 group is present. So here one ethyl group is present, here also one ethyl group is present. So this is known as diethyl ketone. Now IUPAC name, count how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. But in which carbon atom this ketone group is attached? Third carbon atom. So you have to write pentane 3-one. Okay. Like that you have to write. Again I will repeat. For ketone, RCOR dash is the formula. CO functional group will present. Here we are going to write common names and IUPAC names of the ketone. So the first example CH3CO CH3. The common name how we are writing, which group is attached to that ketone group. Here one methyl group, here also one methyl group is present. So we are writing here dimethyl ketone or acetone. IUPAC name, you have to count carbon atoms, number of carbon atoms, methane, ethane, propane. So the IUPAC name is known as propanone. Second example, CH3CO CH2 CH2 CH3. Here one methyl group and one propyl group is attached. So this is known as methyl N-propyl ketone. For IUPAC name, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Pentane, but here the second carbon atom is attached to the ketone group. So we are writing pentane 2-one. Like that, CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. Methyl group and ethyl group. Instead of this C2H5, we also write this like also CH2 single bond CH3. So this is also known as ethyl group. So here one methyl group and one ethyl group is present. So according to the alphabetic order, we are writing ethyl methyl ketone. IUPAC name, methane, ethane, propane, butane. So this is butanone. Next example, CH3, CH2, CO, CH2, CH3. Here one ethyl group, this is C2, C1, 2, C, carbon. 2 carbon atom and 5 hydrogen atom is present. Here also 2 carbon atom and 5 hydrogen atom. The ethyl group, 2 ethyl group is present, so this is known as diethyl ketone. And IUPAC name, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Pentane 3-1. Why 3-1? Because in this third carbon atom, the ketone group is attached. Thank you.